Hi, how's it going? This is Blue from CG Pirates. I hope you are doing well. Right then, so this is our introduction to Unreal Engine. This is what's going to get you started in everything really that you need to do in this website. So, first of all, talking about what is Unreal Engine. Well, Unreal Engine is a tool. It's used to make video games, but it's also a tool that lets people make and show things, from things like houses and hotels to cars or even products. It's also used to make TV shows and films like Star Wars Rogue One and The Mandalorian, and it's very, very powerful. It's also now free. It used to be $500,000, and then you gave them something like 15% of all the money you made when you made money through the game engine. Since version 4, which is what we're using now, it's now free. If you do release a game and it becomes really popular and you make lots and lots of money, then Unreal Engine will take 10% of that. But for using it for yourself or for small projects where you're making games for a few friends even, they don't take anything. So that's really good. Okay, so in order to get Unreal Engine, what I'd like you to do is just go to www.unrealengine.com. Okay, it'll automatically work out which country you're in. So for me, even though I'm in England, it says EN-US, so I've got English American. And what I'd like you to do is just go to download, and we press that, and if you have an account, it'll verify you, and if you don't have an account, it'll ask you to sign up, and then it'll let you download this, which is the Epic Games Launcher. Now, this is really nice because obviously it's filled with video games, so you can buy video games, and normally, at the moment anyway, every month you'll get a couple of free video games too. So there's always something fun to do, and you can chat to your friends online if you want and all this kind of great stuff. But what I'm really interested in here is just pressing the Unreal Engine button. There we go. Now, when you first start it, yours won't look like this. This will be mostly empty for you. Okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to install a version of Unreal Engine. So, at the minute, the version is 4.3. Okay, so I know this says 4.2 and 4.24, but this is an older version and this is a preview version. And this will change all the time. At the minute it's November in 2019, so I imagine 4.24 will be out soon, and then 4.25 and 4.26. So whichever version you've got, you want to go for the latest. So to do that, you're just going to press the plus sign here, and it'll automatically put up the latest version just here, and then you just press install. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now when you've got some projects that appear here, you don't have any yet, and then down here where it says Vault, this is all the various tools that you can add. Now I know there's a lot here, so try not to get worried by how much stuff there is. I have a lot of things in here because obviously I teach and I've got a lot of other projects myself. You probably won't have anything in here at the moment, and you won't need too much. I will be using things like this, which is the FPS game starter kit, but to be quite honest, we don't need it at the minute. We just need the basic things that come with Unreal. Okay, so that should be enough basic information to get us started. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is to install the Epic Games Launcher. That's this, remember. I want you to go here and install the latest engine version, and then when you've done that, I would like you to come back to the next video in this set. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next section.